Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi, belawan rasyapi da ka rupa, bapentingin bat penpa.
Henden kasngi ka arpoterek mutau naiweng arjar khatpra. Kakenhon Swastha Bharat Yatra, kalawan poi hakani kanong Shillong, hadian bakalami na Agartala. Bat jakani kakenhon na pediang burom, da Joint Commissioner, Jokatnat Food Safety, jong kesorkar jela, USN Sangma, hak jelang kabaret kabalalong hapo parking lot Polo Shillong. Kakenhon Swastha Bharat Yatra, kadai kakenhon kabalatau kerpang da Katnat Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Kakenhon kabanlek penpriang ya kubor, halor ka jingpen melian ban bam ki jingbam ki bakhoj bat ki batai ya kamen. Hakilai sngi bakani kakenhon kandan hakani kanong Shillong, on sa pelong ya kita masa ki babonjaj, ban lom ya ki pajba, bat banyasam ya ka jingnang jingtep jongki, kat kum kathong jongkani kakenhon Swastha Bharat Yatra.
So this is a cycle rally which will cover a distance of more than 18,000 kilometers, where we have already had more than 7,500 volunteers and cyclists with us. They will be traveling from one city to another, one state to another to propagate the message of eating right. And in between this rally, we will conduct different activities, certain indoor activities, at some cases outdoor activities. Some days we went to the marketplaces, we also go to the streets to interact with the people, to propagate the message of eating right, eating healthy, staying healthy, the significance of staying healthy. So that is the only initiative and that is the only motto we are trying to promote with this whole cycle rally, Swastha Bharat Yatra. Now talking about eating right, when we say eat right, we are not only speaking it, we are also trying to spread the message with a very beautiful hand gesture. If you notice, the banner that's behind, can everyone notice this banner? You can see Swastha Bharat Yatra written there. Along that you will see a symbol of a cycle, bicycle. Can everyone notice this? And below that bicycle logo, there's a tricolor logo, right? Like a tick mark in saffron, white and green. So that is the logo of Eat Right. So when we say eat right, we are not only trying to understand people only by words, we are also trying to propagate the logo, which is the main purpose and the main message that we are trying to convey. The message of eating right. And that's you can also convey the message with a hand gesture. And this is the message that we are trying to propagate. So if you show someone this signal or this sign, you are trying to promote or you are trying to make someone understand that you need to eat right. Can you all do once together? Eat right. So this is the message. It looks like a tick mark. If you notice my hand, it looks like a tick mark. So that is the message we are trying to promote. Eat right. We not only say eat right, we not only speak that, we also try to show it with a hand gesture and it looks like this.